How to make line sketch shapes in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we have this spotlight, and this spotlight sketch a shape. And here you can see when I drag this spotlight, the shape also change. Okay, I delete it. And here we need to create a new material and change the name. Maybe change to logo light, and I open it. And now I drag this texture into here, and I select this one and change to material domain to lines function, and connect to the color, apply it. And here I need to add a spotlight, and I drag to spotlight to a right place. Maybe I change this value, and I scroll it down, and I drag this material into here. And here you can see our logo shape is up here. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.